make Kitchari in the Instant Pot. We've got our ghee out, some rice, some lentils, 2 cups of water, 4 cups of water, our spices. So we're taking about 2 tablespoons of ghee. Turn it on to saute. Add some ginger, then a teaspoon. Fennel seeds, another teaspoon.
Did you get this for her?
Bouillon, some stock stuff. Yeah, I get the chicken one. So,
tablespoon.
Got a tablespoon in the water. Is that warm water? No.
I'll just swish it until
Just
it's
tap
gonna
water.
be cooking in there, so I don't take the time.
Cool. Cup of rice. Cup of lentils.
Melted. Just put that in there.
On the Instant Pot so far, all we've done is just press the saute button after it was plugged in. So, no other settings were done.
That's gonna start to smoke. Throw those in.
So I go with the rice and the lentils.
Doesn't have to be entirely dissolved because you're going to stir it anyway. But you want to get it off the spoon. Soaks up a lot of stock, so I also add additional broth. Probably like a cup, maybe a little bit more.
So it's not very scientific.
Oh.
But we have here on the side, it looks like we've got 5.5 cups of content in there according to the Instant Pot.
Okay. Close it up, turn it off because you want to switch modes. Manual, 12 minutes. You can modify this by pushing the plus and minus. That's it. Big thing, make sure that's flipped away from you. That's it.
Okay. Thanks, Chad. Okay, so the alarm just went off. The first thing we're gonna do is flip this, get all the steam out. We're at a minute and a half almost, and still got some steam coming out.
When it's ready to open, this little thing, this little metal ball thing, falls down.
So right now it's in the up position.
Yeah. Right. It's also a lock, whereas you can't. Okay,
so now it's falling down.
All the water is on the bottom of the lid, so sort of tip it in to the thing. Done.
That's it.
Pot is very hot.
That smells good.
Steam is burning my thumb. It's done.
That's it.